YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are off to a whole new mini album. We are going to go over the basics of what you need. You're going to need a ruler, and it doesn't matter what type. It could be the old school rule, and then any fancy one you want to purchase. I actually use two, one at my desk and then one at this craft table. Then you're going to need glue. Again, it doesn't matter what you use. This is just what I use and what's my preference. You're going to need a pair of fussy cut scissors and then a pair of regular paper scissors. Then you're going to need several different sizes of tape, or you can cut down, get this big one, then cut it down to what you need. Just lay it on the cutting board. Let's see if I show you. You're just gonna lay it down. I'll just do a little piece. Okay, whatever size you need in length, lay it here. Like I'm gonna go for 1/4 of an inch. Lay that down. Cut it. Take my pokey tool, lift it up, because it's not going to stay there permanently, of course. But you get the gist of how that works. And then just keep cutting to what you need. Okay. I get a 1/4 or an 1/8 of an inch tape, a 1/4 of an inch tape, and then a 1/2 inch tape. This one is a 1 inch tape, and I don't really use it that often, but you never know. You might need it one day for something specific. Then you need foam tape. I get mine at the Dollar Tree, and they come in this huge roll. I put them in a little plastic container, and voila. Then you're going to need a few pencils. This is just two I'm showing you. I got like a dozen pencils. This is my pokey tool. It is also known as a piercer. You will not find it like this because I actually made this. So I don't think they make them with rhinestones, but you can do your own. Just get a wood one and a bunch of rhinestones and go to work. Alright, this is my squishy, which is also known as a scraper. If you have like a Cricut or something like that, then you know what a scraper is. But I call it a squishy. Then an X-Acto knife, a bone folder, a small, now this is for just small, so it only goes up to 8 inches, but you can get a good score line up to 8 inches. That's why I also have a big scoreboard. So I have a small and a big. If you can't get a small one, just stick with your big, because you can do your small stuff on there. Alright, let's get to what we're going to be using this time around. I'm so excited because I found this in a stash of stuff that I had just sitting around, and I was like, what is in this box? And I'll show you in just a second. I clean up my mess. Oh, and don't forget a little post-it note holder, because you could do your math on there, which is what I have to do. Okay, so this is by LDRS, Little Darlings, and it's called Polkadoodles Winnie Tea Time, or Time for Tea. So this is so adorable, and I thought, this is a card making kit that I never used. So let's open her up. Isn't that cute as can be? This is how I show you how to make some cards out of the stuff they give you. That's a cute card right there. And see, I don't even make cards, and that's because I never felt like I could make cards. But I tell you what, these are inspirational. Very inspirational. And I know I'm not going to use this whole kit on the mini album, so I'll still have a bunch of card stuff left over. So these are the die cuts that come with the kit. Let's pull this out. There are several pages of each of the die cuts. Yeah. So this is one set. So cute. Look at the tags, the teacups. Look at, this is like the Red Hat Society except for it's pink. So adorable. I love it. And then there's this one here. Make sure I don't. Okay. Which is adorable. And they're easily popped out. So I will be spending time popping these out, putting them in a little box or container, and then go through them as we build our book. And then here's another one. So adorable. I love these. I absolutely adore every single one of these. And I'm not even a kitty type person. You know, you guys know I buy my mini albums. I don't do a lot of kid mini albums, but this makes you want to. And she's adorable. I love her little curly hair. And she's cute too. A lot of repeats, but that's okay because you need them. You need those repeats for all the different pages. Okay. There's about 4 sheets per little girl. So adorable. And the last one, she's so cute. She's got her mail in her hands. And she's cute. She's so cute. She's so cute. This makes you want to get into kitty stuff. We have this paper pack. This came with 2 6x6 paper packs, and then one we bought separately because we thought for sure we would all be using this kit. I don't know why I put this in here, but maybe we'll use some paper from here. But it's the only paper pad I have for Gorgeous Girls. And they have some gorgeous paper in there. But we've got so much paper, I don't think I'll be using that. So let's start with this one. We'll go by quick because I know y'all don't have time to look at every single sheet. Alright. This is what all the sheets should look like. And I do not believe... Well, they have some flamingos on here, so that's cute. But most of them are plain like this. And it is cardstock, so it's very thick paper. Very pretty. And like I said, most of that one is plain. Okay, here is the other one. This one has a couple of sheets in it that have the little girls on it. And that's for the T. So cute. Oh. This whole pad is all her. Okay. Alrighty then. I was wrong. I was so wrong. And then this one, I'm not even going to say what's on it because I could be wrong again. But there are some mushrooms, some tea. Okay, these seem to be different like the other one. And I believe they are a duplicate of that other one. Probably why we bought it. Alright, there are also doilies in here. Oop, sorry about that. And these stickers. These are cute. Come and share a cup of tea. My home is warm and my friendship's free. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. Wow. A hug in a cup. That's what I say about my coffee. It's a hug in a cup. Alright, so, and then these are the envelopes that are cardstock bases that came with it, and then the envelopes that came with it, and I will be saving those for something else. So that's the whole kit, guys, and you don't have to buy this kit. I'm just showing you what I'm using. So let's get this out the way. I will fiddle with it later, get it all fixed up. Alright, this is our book, our mini album. So this is 7 by 5.5, and then the inside pages are 3.5 by 7. I'm sorry, the spine is 3.5 by 7. Then the inside pages are going to be 6 7/8 by 5 1/4, and then you're going to score at 1/2 inch. So that's what the inside flips are. And then this is what our front and back is, and then this is our spine. Okay. Alright. So you get your front and back, or your insides, all this fixed up, and then we'll come back and we'll put these on the inside. Yeah. Alright. We'll be right back. Alright, let's go ahead and put one of our flips in. I'll do one with you, and then I will do the rest on fast forward. So you're going to remove your 1/2 inch tape backing. Recycle that. Take your glue and just put a little line. You don't have to put a lot. I really like this smaller bottle compared to this bigger bottle, so I take this and fill up this one. And you might find your favorite bottle and do the same thing. Even if it's not the same brand, don't worry about it. Okay, I'm going to go right up, press down gently, fold in your side, make sure you're not too close to that score line, and then firmly press it down. You should have about 1/4 inch from the top and from the bottom. Yay! Alright, so I'm going to put it on fast forward, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so we are done putting those in. Let's clean up this mess. I ended up not using one of them, so we actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 flips to use, which gives us a total of 14 pages. And just hang on to this in case you might need it. We could do a flip with it, you know. Hang on to it. It's already taped for us. We just may only need to cut it down. And that would be that. Okay guys, this is it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll be glad to get back to you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.